The moon hung low in the ink-black sky, casting feeble shadows across the silent room. My gaming setup glowed with an eerie light, the only source of illumination in the otherwise darkened space. I was alone, surrounded by the hum of electronic equipment and the muffled sounds of the sleeping house. Little did I know that this seemingly ordinary night of gaming would unravel into a chilling tale that would haunt me for the rest of my days. I settled into my worn-out gaming chair, the fabric creaking beneath me as I adjusted the headset. The clock on the wall ticked away the hours, each passing minute drawing me deeper into the virtual world. Tonight, my game of choice was a horror masterpiece, a title that promised to send shivers down my spine. I relished the idea of facing fear head-on, safely tucked away in the comfort of my room. As the night progressed, the game's atmosphere grew more sinister. A haunted mansion sprawled across the screen, its dilapidated halls echoing with ghostly whispers. The graphics were so realistic that I could almost feel the chill in the air and smell the musty decay of the virtual environment. I was completely engrossed, my senses heightened by the eerie soundtrack and the occasional distant howl of the wind. The protagonist in the game, much like myself, explored the mansion armed only with a flickering flashlight. Shadows danced on the walls, and every creak and groan seemed to reverberate through the virtual space and my own room simultaneously. I navigated through the haunted corridors, my heart pounding in sync with each step my character took. As the tension mounted, the game threw unexpected twists my way. Doors slammed shut behind me, and ghostly apparitions materialized in the flickering light. I could feel the adrenaline coursing through my veins, the fear and excitement blending into a heady concoction that left me on the edge of my seat. It was well past midnight when I stumbled upon a cryptic puzzle within the game. The atmosphere grew even more oppressive as I strained to solve the enigma, the weight of the unknown pressing on me like an invisible hand. The in-game world seemed to bleed into reality, the line between the two blurring as I delved deeper into the mystery. As I cracked the final code, a low rumble reverberated through the room. The lights flickered, and the air turned icy cold. A sense of dread gripped me, and I realized that something was horribly wrong. My character in the game froze, mirroring my own paralyzed state. The in-game mansion transformed into a nightmarish realm, with distorted shadows and grotesque figures emerging from the darkness.